guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm just gonna jump straight into the video. So just as usual, concealer and a brush, just blending that out. It's gonna be my eyeshadow base, and today we're going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and the first color we're gonna take is Buns, and we're going to be putting that on our crease with a Coastal Scents brush. And I'm trying a new technique that I learned from Beauty Vixen. It's just amazing. Y'all need to try it. So then I'm going in with Butter with a Morphe M433, and this is going to be our transition shade. And now this technique, starting out with your crease shade and then going into your transition shade, this just makes the look so much more beautiful. The blending is amazing. It looks like you spent like 4 hours blending your freaking eyeshadow. And it's just amazing. Y'all really need to try this. So crease shade, transition shade, and then your outer V color eyeshadow color. So then you know, this is just, oh my gosh, this is just so amazing. Y'all need to try this. Just follow me. So then I'm going in with Jax, and I'm just going in with a Morphe M433, and I'm just putting this on the outer V, and we're going to be doing a halo eye today. So I'm going in with my Essence blending brush, and I'm just blending that out. And y'all need to go get this brush. Like, this brush is freaking good, and it was just like $1 and something at Ulta. So Essence is the way to go. So then I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and we're going to do a halo eye. So I'm just looking up to see where my eye naturally creases, and we're just gonna blend that out with a lip brush, make it blend, make it look nice. And then I'm going to take my eye, and I'm just gonna blend that out. That way it won't be so hard for me to blend out when the eyeshadow, when the concealer is dry. So then I'm taking, what am I taking? I'm taking Hustle. Okay, I'm taking Hustle. I'm taking Hustle on a flat brush from BH Cosmetics. And then I'm going in with my NYX matte eyeliner and no wing. Who is this? I always do a wing. Y'all, it's so hard for me not to do a wing sometimes. But you know, sometimes you just don't need it. So then I'm going with some Nicole Guerriero lashes. And then I'm going in with my moisturizer from Clinique. This is amazing. Like, so amazing. It just hydrates my face, and it just leaves it so beautifully. So like always, I'm going in with my Dr.Brandt. So I'm just taking my Dr.Brandt primer, just placing that all over my face, prime my face so I get no pimples. And then I'm going in with my Cover FX blurring primer, and just so my pores can go away, because ain't nobody want to see them damn pores. And then y'all, look what my dumb ass did. I was about to put concealer before foundation. See, what the fuck? Who the fuck am I? I had like a whole fucking moment. I was like, what the fuck did I do? So anyways, then I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Foundation in the color 235. And I didn't want full coverage. I was just like medium coverage. Not even full coverage. Just like a couple dots to my face, and then just fucking call it a day. So then now I went in with my concealer, my Tarte Shape Tape concealer in medium tan, and just highlighting the high points of my face. So blended it out, and then I'm going in with my Dermablend setting powder. This setting powder is freaking good, but I just like to use it for my under eyes because I feel like it leaves my face, like the rest of my face, too white. So just under eyes. So then I'm just going in with my Revolution banana powder. I'm setting the rest of my face because that is a good ass setting powder, and then just sweeping it away with my large brush from, what was it, something. And then I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Mega Lash mascara. I'm just putting some mascara on my lower lash line. And then I'm going in with my Tarte mascara. This is like the best mascara ever. You need to get BoxyCharm. I'll link it down below, and BoxyCharm will hook y'all up. It's only like $21 a month, and we'll send you some good ass fucking makeup. So I'll leave the link down below. And then I'm going in with my Physician Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm just taking a Wet n Wild angled brush. Also, good ass brand for some brushes that are like $2 I think at Walgreens. So I need to get that. So just bronzing my face up, adding some color into it, doing the fish face. I can never fucking say that. Never. So then I'm just going to bronze up my nose and make it look slim. So then I'm going in with some Laura Geller blush and just putting it on the apples of my cheeks. This is a good blush too. Also from BoxyCharm. That's all I'm telling you. Get BoxyCharm. They will hook your ass up. Like, come on, girl. So then I'm sweeping away my baking, make my bronzed face look slim. And then I'm just going to set my face with my Mario Badescu Rose Water setting spray. I was going to say setting powder. Setting spray. And then I'm going in with my IluvsarahriiXDose of colors in Soleil Mate. Best highlighter ever. I use this bitch all the fucking time. That's how good it is. IluvsarahriiXDose, Karen, aka Karen, did a good ass job. And the some colors did too. And then there's my beautiful son. He wanted to get inside the video too. I was like, okay. And then I'm going with my NYX liquid lipstick. Y'all, I dead ass forgot what color it is, but I'll link it down below what color it was. It's just like a natural nude shade. You know, it's a beautiful color by itself. Alright guys, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Love you guys.